So this morning I'm getting ready to make my wife and I bacon and eggs. And my wife says to me, you know, I'm getting a little bored of your eggs. Can you mix it up a little bit? Can you believe that? Let's see what we can do. Challenge accepted. Did you really say that? No.
What is going on now? Do you see what I look like?
I warned you. I'm gonna
randomly.
randomly. You don't need makeup. You're gorgeous the way you are.
You just got it right here.
You might want to keep a comb by your bed or something. Oh, salt and pepper on your bacon is a nice little flavor hack. Give it a try.
We had some bagel, everything a bagel bite, everything a bagel seasoning is so good on there.
Madame, for your morning cuisine this morning, eggs that aren't so boring. This is a ground beef and cheese stuffed omelet topped with fresh sliced avocado, a little dash of sour cream, some mild hot sauce, your favorite, little pepper. We have here some peppered bacon, 3 for you, 1 unseasoned for your baking loving feline. I hope this meets your standards and completely apologize for letting my game slip. You deserve better. Bon appetit. Let me know if there'll be anything else.
I guess I'll do the dishes.